Are your email campaigns falling flat while your competitors keep winning? Look, 44% of chief marketing officers say email marketing is essential to their digital strategy. But here's the truth. Most businesses are doing it completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you what email campaigns are, share the exact framework that turns boring broadcasts into revenue-generating machines, and reveal the 5 campaign types that actually drive results. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build your first effective email marketing sequence. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. But first, let's get crystal clear on what we're talking about. An email marketing campaign is a coordinated sequence of emails sent to multiple recipients with one clear goal, like driving sales, nurturing leads, or strengthening relationships. On the contrary, we have a random one-off blast of emails sent to all the contacts at once. And if you think that this approach still can work, let me dispel this myth. A company called Alpha Green used to rely on one-off email blasts. They were struggling with their email marketing. Low open rates, terrible conversions, the usual nightmare. But when the company shifted to a real campaign strategy, within a month, their email revenue jumped by 127%. So what changed? Instead of blasting everyone the same message, Alpha Green built 12 targeted flows across the whole funnel, from welcome and product quizzes to abandoned cart, upsells, and win-back emails. Each flow mixed education with timely offers, guiding subscribers step by step. That shift turned scattered blasts into a structured system that steadily drove conversions. The real value of an email campaign is in the flow. Each message builds on the last, guiding people step by step until they're ready to act. Done right, it feels like a conversation, not a megaphone. Now, most marketers will tell you there are dozens of different email campaign types, but that's just confusing noise. There are really only 5 types of email campaigns that actually move the needle. Let's break them down. The first one is a welcome series. This is your chance to make a good first impression when someone joins your list. The best brands use this moment to guide new subscribers to useful resources and show immediate value. Next goes promotional campaigns. These email series drive sales through special offers, and exclusivity is the key here. The most effective campaigns make people feel like VIPs with early or limited access. The third one is triggered campaigns. These emails are sent automatically based on user actions like signing up, making a purchase, or abandoning a cart. They usually get the highest open rates because they're timely and directly relevant. Then we have re-engagement campaigns you can send to subscribers who've gone cold. Instead of a bland "we miss you," offer genuine value or a special incentive to bring people back. And here's something most people miss. Getting a new customer costs 5 times more than selling to an existing one. That's why smart companies use email not just for acquisition, but for retention and upselling. From thank you emails with helpful tips to automated reorder reminders. Finally, strategy number 5 is nurture campaigns. They're meant to build relationships over time with educational content. The goal is to keep subscribers engaged and guide them step by step toward becoming customers. Master these 5 types and you'll cover almost all of your email marketing needs. I used to think you could just wing it, write something catchy, hit send, and hope for the best. But that only leads to random results. What actually works is a systematic framework that turns scattered emails into strategic campaigns, no matter which type you're working on. Here's how it works. Step 1, define your goal. Are you driving quick sales, nurturing cold leads, or improving retention? Your goal shapes everything else. Step 2, understand your audience. Are they brand new subscribers, repeat buyers, or people who've gone quiet? What have they clicked on, purchased, or ignored? The more you know about their stage and behavior, the easier it is to shape the right message and tone. Step 3, create your sequence. Use the think in threes approach. Email 1 sparks curiosity. Email 2 delivers value or proof. Email 3 makes a clear ask. Step 4, add automation. Turn your successful sequences into set and forget workflows. Step 5, test and optimize. Track open rates, clicks, and conversions to see what works and refine over time. This framework works because it meets people where they are in their journey instead of treating everyone the same. The biggest mistake I see businesses make is that they set up beautiful campaigns but completely forget about deliverability. Here's the truth: you can have the smartest strategy in the world, but if your emails land in spam, it's all wasted effort. And on top of great deliverability, your ESP should fit right into your needs. For e-commerce, that might mean connecting directly with Shopify or WooCommerce, running automated cart recovery flows, and sending high volumes of promotional emails without hitting limits. For SaaS, it's about multi-tenancy, isolating environments, separating transactional from marketing streams, and scaling without one customer's issue dragging down everyone else. For marketing teams, the need is advanced analytics, easy segmentation, and automation tools to run experiments, whereas engineering teams focus on clean APIs, SDKs in their stack, sandbox environments for testing, and reliability at scale without constant firefighting. If you're looking for an email sending platform with impeccable deliverability, built-in scalability, and the visibility to understand every send, then Mailtrap can be the answer. With Mailtrap, you get high deliverability, advanced analytics rates, multi-tenancy, tools for developers, tools for marketers, expert support. And if you want to know more about choosing the best email service provider for your needs, check out our video up here. Now you have it. Proven strategies that drive results, plus a framework you can follow to build campaigns with confidence. But let's go one step further. Here are the bonus tips that can make your emails more engaging and even get subscribers looking forward to them. First, use the 80-20 rule. Make 80% of your emails valuable, helpful, or entertaining, and only 20% promotional. That's how you build trust instead of fatigue. Craft story-driven emails. People remember stories far more than discounts. Tie your message to a customer story, a founder's note, or even a behind-the-scenes peek. Keep your promises. Subscribers can smell clickbait or false urgency a mile away. If you say limited spots or offer ends tonight, make sure it's true. Following through on what you promise builds long-term trust. And that trust is what keeps people opening your emails again and again. Finally, build genuine relationships. The real secret is to treat your subscribers like people, not leads. Answer questions, share value, and guide them campaign by campaign. Now you know the playbook the pros rely on. But here's the thing, before you build your first email sequence, you need to create an email funnel to maximize results. We have a full tutorial that shows you how to set up an email funnel step by step, so go check it out. See you there.